For many years, businesses have benefited from offshore manufacturing as a strategy to reduce production costs. Here, we'll provide a quick overview of nearshoring, which is no more than offshoring in a country closer to home. In addition to cost reduction, when companies decide on nearshoring, they're also looking to reduce lead times and deliver goods faster to the end consumer. In many cases, nearshoring is done in a country that shares a border or time zone, making it easier for company personnel to collaborate. Besides the aforementioned advantages, there are other benefits, such as the ability to maintain lower inventories of finished products or partially manufactured inventories if following a just-in-time manufacturing model. To really reap the benefits of nearshore manufacturing, you've got to consider location. If your company is based in the United States, the Dominican Republic's favorable geographic location, reduced labor costs, stable political environment, and free trade zones makes it an excellent choice, especially as labor and transportation costs continue to rise in other regions. If your business is considering nearshore manufacturing, Promptus can help you get started. We offer global shipping and freight coordination services, as well as warehousing and distribution. To get started, visit us at promptus.us or contact us at 1-877-776-6799 for answers to your questions and a personalized quote.